this thing running. It is. Well, let's see. We're out in the woods in the rain again today. I had to go back to the truck to get something. And somebody's getting a double workout today. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I guess they call them a walk and talk or something. I don't even know if I'm holding the film or the phone right. There's the river. Pretty slippery out. But we'll be back on our back porch in a little while. So I drive a dump truck in Huntsville, Alabama, and I don't know what's going on in Huntsville, but they are building everywhere. There's a little town called Madison next to it. Beyond that, there's Athens. They're both to the west, and they're building them up too. I mean, I'm talking these big, huge subdivisions, these big, huge apartment complexes. They're going in and they're buying up all these old cotton fields and building these things on them. And they're building gas stations, shopping plazas, stores, you name it, restaurants. It's mind-blowing, because when you read the the financial reports and all this, seems like the housing market's getting ready to crash. And a lot of these subdivisions are building, there's a few of them, they're just little tiny cottages, like, and they're just packed in one on top of another. I mean, there's no yard, nothing, Even the bigger subdivisions with the bigger houses, they're one right on top of another. It just reminds me of some kind of camp or something. But so if you're in need of a job and you're in the trades, especially if you're Mexican, come on down to Huntsville. You can get a job. That's what I'm doing. I'm driving a dump truck. I haul dirt and stone to these sites they're building, and it's pretty cool, I guess. But they sent me to the quarry one day, get a load of stone, load of 57 sewer stone, because they're putting in miles of sewage lines for these places. Miles. And they put this 57 stone on top of it. Top of the concrete pipes they put in there. But anyway, I back up to the pile to get loaded. There's trucks ahead of me. It's a very busy quarry. And I look over in the truck next to me, and there's this dude, this big guy, this big man. Okay, I shouldn't call him a dude. He's a big man. I mean, his neck, huge brawny shoulders, like He could have been a linebacker or something, you know what I mean? Just a big dude, big head. And he had this little gray old lady's wig on, and he had female glasses on. His fingernails were painted pink, and he was on his phone, and his phone case was all pink. And he had little boobies poking out of his sweatshirt he had on. Oh my gosh. This Huntsville in Alabama. I mean, I'd seen a dude wearing finger polish out in Oakland, California one day, but he wasn't dressed like a woman. I think he just had, it was like on a Monday, and I think he just had a wild weekend or something. I don't know, but you'd expect that out there. But this is Huntsville, Alabama. This is the Bible Belt. This is part of the Bible Belt, man. I don't know. So things are going downhill a lot of different ways. But getting back to Huntsville, I think it's a New World Order city. I don't know, they might string these little towns together and make little 15-minute cities out of them. I don't know, but like a lot of these apartment buildings, they look like stacking packs to me. Even the subdivision, you know, you got some with big, huge houses, some with medium-sized houses, and the little cottage places. So, and they're just, you know, I don't know how people can live like that. And all the houses, a lot of them, all the houses look the same. Some of them are different, but you know. And 80%, I'd say at least 80% to 90% of the labor is being done by Mexicans. You know, I got nothing against Mexicans. I like Mexicans. They're pretty cool. But I'm just, you know, this is America, I think. But they do everything. They do everything from putting the sod in the lawn all the way up to the shingles on the roof, drywall, framing, brickwork, you know. It's crazy, man. So I don't know what's going on. Huntsville is an engineering city. It's, you know, this is where Warner von Braun lived and worked after he came over here during Operation Paperclip, you know, and all that. He's working on his rockets here. They got the Space Museum. They got a big rocket there. They got, I'm working on their Welcome Center right now as you come down 65. They're redoing that whole Welcome Center. I've been hauling dirt in and out of there and stone and whatnot. And they got a big rocket there. You've probably seen it, ever been down there. There's rockets everywhere. Their bus service is called Orbit, I guess because it orbits around the city. You know, it's crazy. But they got a lot of military contractors here, Lockheed Martin, Boeing, you know, and the other ones. They're putting the FBI here. Plus you got the Redstone Arsenal, which takes up a lot of land. Nobody knows what they're doing there. I guess Space Force is supposed to eventually come here. I don't know. I don't know, man, what's going on, but it's pretty crazy. There goes Buddy. All right, I hope you all have a nice day. And, you know, just keep your eyes out. Keep your eyes open. And y'all have a good day and be safe. Bye.